Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to stretch your hair without heat. Today I'm going to be trying something new for my fussy natural hair. Let's get straight to the video. I had some cornrows and I just removed them in the morning. They've been my protective hairstyle for some time now. So I'm just going to start the video by combing out my hair, and then I'm going to be detangling my hair with my comb right there. I'm doing this, I'm holding the base of my hair as I comb out my hair. I hope you've seen in the video. Holding the base of your hair when detangling your hair reduces breakage of your hair, and it also reduces the pain when combing. Moving on, I'm just going to go in my bathroom and quickly wash my hair. I'm going to be trying a new product today, that Beulah shampoo. It has a really nice smell. I'm not just going to be applying my shampoo on my hair and then I'm going to go in with my hand. I'm just going to be passing my hand through my hair as shown in the video, and then I'm going to be scrubbing my scalp to get rid of any dirt or dandruff in it. I'm just going to be taking my time to pass my hand through my hair as shown in the video. This is so satisfying, especially when I'm scrubbing my scalp and just taking my time to wash my hair and scrub my hair thoroughly as shown in the video. Then moving on, I'm just going to go ahead and turn on my shower on warm water, and then I'm going to go ahead and quickly wash my hair as shown in the video. I'm just going to take my time. I speeded this part up so my video doesn't have to be long. And like you can see, the shampoo is off. I'm now going to go ahead and condition my hair, and I'm using the same product again. This conditioner smells so nice, you guys. And like I said before, it's a new product. I don't know how it's going to react with my hair. I have fussy natural hair and it gets so tangled at times that I don't even feel like touching it. So I'm just going to go ahead and work in bits. I'm just going to divide a little bit of my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some conditioner on it, and then I'm just going to be using my wide tooth comb right there to just detangle my hair. I'm just going to be taking my time to detangle my hair bit by bit so my hair doesn't turn out messy. And like you can see, I've detangled the rest of camera, and now I have that one piece at the back, and that's what I'm going to be working with. So the back of my hair is actually a little shorter than the front. I had some braids months ago and then I removed them myself, and I accidentally cut the back of my hair, and when I realized it was too late. And since I love my hair so much, although it's hard working with, I don't want to like shave my hair. So I'm just going to let the back of my hair grow for some time, and then I'll find a way to trim my hair. I'll get someone to trim my hair for me. So that's the reason why the back of my hair is a little shorter. So moving on, I'm just going to be washing off my conditioner as shown in the video. And when you're washing your hair, you don't want to use cold water, you guys. Like for me, my fussy hair plus cold water is just going to be a mess. And then after some time, here I am again. I'm just going to take my shower quickly, and then I'm going to get back on my hair, and here I am. I'm just going to be removing the braids that I braided before when I was washing my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and dry my hair as shown in the video. So guys, like you can see, my hair is so tangled. I'm just going to take my time to detangle my hair. Struggles with fussy hair are so real, you guys, and this is the real fussy hair. This my hair is real fussy hair. Like you can see it, it's so tangly and so hard to handle. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the carrot oil that I made in my previous video, and then I'm going to go ahead and just start stretching my hair. I'm just going to go ahead and work with tiny sections of my hair again here. I'm going to apply my carrot oil that I made in my previous video, like I've said before, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my yarn right there. I'm just going to hold the piece of my hair, and then I'm going to roll the yarn round and round and round. I am really trying something new today, and I'm super excited how it will turn out. I've seen other videos and it turned out perfectly, and I'm hoping mine will turn out perfectly too. So moving on, I'm just going to be working with sections like I've said before. I'm just going to be applying my carrot oil, and then I'm going to be massaging it on my scalp as shown in the video, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my comb right there to detangle my hair. Like I said before, I'm not going to be missing any chance I get to detangle my hair. Like I've said before, my hair is really hard to work with. I'm going to roll a piece of my yarn or string on my hair on the piece that I applied carrot oil on, and then I'm just going to roll it around and around until the end, and then I'm going to hide the end of my hair right inside my hair, right inside my natural hair, to give me space to work with the rest of my hair. So you guys, I'll leave to watch me for just a little bit, and I'll be right back. There was this time that I went to the salon to get my hair blow dried, and this woman just mishandled my hair until I told her to stop because my hair was already so painful. She wasn't considering the knots and that my hair was so tangled. She was adding the blow dry and then just pulling my natural hair with those knots and all that. You can imagine how painful that is. When I left that salon, my hair was so painful, and the knots were not gone. Actually, the knots were not gone, and my hair was like hot. So that's when I decided to be working on my hair, and that's why when I started to love my hair. And yeah, I started the YouTube channel and started doing the hair tutorials, you guys. So you guys, I'm back again, and after some time I worked with the rest of my hair, and this is how my hair looks, you guys. I look a little pretty cute right now. I feel like I want to do bantu knots on my hair. The first time I tried bantu knots on my hair, it turned out so perfectly before I even started YouTube channel. But then sleeping was hard, you guys. My hair was painful this side and everywhere. I couldn't even sleep. So after just stretching my hair, I'm just going to be applying my carrot oil again on my hair and on my scalp, and look at that. They look like those tiny bantu knots, you guys, except bantu knots are really hard to undo, especially when you want to sleep. But I'm thinking of doing bantu knots on my hair. I'm just going to go ahead and cover my hair and just take a quick break from shooting, and then I'll be right back with you guys. After some time, here I am again. I'm going to be checking on my hair. I'm just going to remove my scarf quickly, and my hair looks pretty good right now actually. And then I'm just going to go ahead and remove the yarn. I'm just going to roll out the yarn as shown in the video, and that's how my hair looks. So I'm not going to lie to you guys, this method doesn't work like 100%, but it's the best method, I can tell you. If I were to rate this method, I'll give it a 7 out of 10, you guys, with my hair, and it worked really well. The knots were a little bit gone. My hair is really hard to undo. I'm going to be using my green comb that you can see right now to just comb out my hair again and detangle it. My hair still has a little bit of knots, so I'm just not going to miss the chance to detangle my hair. And like you can see, I'm doing this gently. I'm holding the base of my hair as I detangle it. I'm just going to be using my comb right there to comb my hair gently. I'm doing this gently. This is speeded up. And actually, most of the knots are really gone. I'm just pretending that it's a little painful right now, but most of the knots are gone. I'll be using my brush to brush my hair together, although a few knots are still remaining, but this method actually worked for me. So from here, if you have a little bit more knots, you can go ahead and blow dry your hair if you want. But if you have soft hair, this method will work like 9 out of 10 for you. For my tangly fussy hair, it still has a little bit of knots, but this method I can say honestly, it's just the best, you guys. It will be a lifesaver in the village. Yeah, when I was in high school, my hair was so hard to handle then. And like you can see, this is how my hair looks, and I'm happy to share this method with you. I hope you like this video as much as I loved making it and sharing it with you, and I hope you try this method on your fussy natural hair. It's actually a lifesaver, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support so far. And kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my new uploads. See you in my next video. Bye.